her instructor is one of the finest pilots this program has ever produced.
Welcome to our marketing management session recap video. Let's delve into our lecture on elevating your marketing with AI. We live in a world where AI is transforming how we approach marketing. In our last session, we explored the differences between traditional search engines like Google and AI-powered tools. Google relies on algorithms and rankings to provide links that might answer your query. It sells words, and often the top results are paid ads. In contrast, AI delivers direct answers, allowing for deeper exploration and iterative questioning. We tested ChatGPT by uploading our marketing textbook and asking it specific questions. While it provided useful answers, we noted the importance of verifying its responses. AI tools like Perplexity stood out for their research capabilities and accurate citations, whereas Gemini provided updated data. Our class conducted a comparative analysis of these AI tools for MBA students at Ateneo. We focused on specific parameters, highlighting the strengths and limitations of each tool. During our group activity, we used these AI tools to fill in our comparative analysis table of our chosen brand and its competitors. Each group presented their findings, showcasing the practical applications of AI in marketing. In marketing, AI allows us to focus on deeper analysis and reflection. It's about guiding customers from awareness to advocacy, as discussed in Philip Kotler's Marketing 4.0. AI empowers us to co-create with customers, adapt to changing dynamics, and enhance our marketing strategies. Remember, the A's and I's in marketing are getting bigger. Embrace AI, use it wisely, and stay ahead in your professional and educational pursuits.
Welcome, everyone. Today, the adorable alphas will be sharing highlights from our marketing management class held on July 24. Despite the challenges we faced, we had an engaging and insightful session. Let's dive into the details. Hashtag class that did not happen, hashtag Typhoon Karina, hashtag AI tools, and hashtag AI experiences.
Prior to our July 24 meeting, we had a class that happened but did not really happen last July 17. We discussed the course. Prof was so kind to entertain any questions coming from the class. She even offered one-on-one consultations.
Although our professor couldn't make it to Cebu due to Typhoon Karina, which caused severe flooding in parts of Manila, we persevered. Our class continued over Zoom, showcasing our resilience and adaptability. Here's a picture from our virtual session proving that learning never stops, no matter what circumstances. During our class, we shared our experiences with AI assistants and compared the top 3 choices: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. Each of us brought unique insights on how these tools enhance our productivity and learning. This discussion was a perfect blend of technology and marketing management, illustrating how AI is transforming our educational and professional landscapes.
In our marketing management course, your LinkedIn profile replaces traditional introductions. Why? Because it's your personal brand's global introduction. Use LinkedIn to control your brand identity and let the world see your best self. We also covered the final 2 chapters of our textbooks. Chapter 22, Managing Retailing, Wholesaling, and Logistics, talks about different ways retailers sell things. It mentions catalog showrooms, e-commerce, buying services, and vending machines as examples. Chapter 23, Managing a Holistic Marketing Organization for the Long Run, emphasizes the importance of holistic marketing for the long-term brand growth. It argues that businesses need to go beyond just great product and service. They need to create carefully planned marketing activities that satisfy everyone involved, from customers and employees to the wider community. The chapter also highlights the growing importance of corporate social responsibility and sustainability in achieving these goals.
An advice from these 3 adorable alphas: use AI tools responsibly in order to keep your job or keep your business afloat. Once again, this is Franz, Joe, and Han for our weekly recap. Thank you.